Now let's move on to our next example, which is a console application again. I want to do a switch case example, and I will write similarly. I will write an if condition solution, and then I will convert that into an equivalent switch case. And I'll also show you what switch case looks like. Okay, so this will be a simple program, accept an integer from user. Then display if it is gold medal, silver, bronze, or nothing. So if I want to give this a little bit more of a context, so integer for position from user. This should be number 3. So if I am looking for 3, it should say bronze. Switch case only works in a situation where an if condition has equality in all conditions. If you notice, it's all equality comparisons all over. However, there is a lot of redundancy here that every if condition had to repeat the variable name and had to repeat the equals to operator. Switch case, on the other hand, says the following. It says, well, write the variable name only once. As I told you that switch case only needs one occurrence of the variable, and which is right here when you declare the variable. That's it. So that's the switch, only repeated once, position. Then I'm going to start writing my case 1. Copy this. Break. Copy this. Break. And no break after the default. Oh no, this is C#, sorry. So in C# you have to put break after the default. In Java you don't. Okay. So in this example, you looked at conversion of an if condition into a select case. And this is one such case where if, instead of using if, developers would prefer, it's a preference of using switch versus an if.